Crochet patterns may include instructions for you to crochet in the front loop or in the back loop of a stitch. This tutorial will show you how to create these modified stitches. We will be using the single crochet stitch for the demonstration. Let's start with a slip knot and chaining 11. Single crochet in the second stitch and in every chain. The top of your stitches has two loops resembling the letter V. The loop facing closest to you is the front loop, and the loop facing the other side is your back loop. Turn your work and chain 1. To create a single crochet in the front loop, insert your hook into the front of the loop and create a single crochet. Repeat this for every stitch in the row. This is abbreviated as SCFL or SCFLO, indicating that the stitch will be worked in the front loops only of the stitches. Working in the front or back loops creates a stretchier fabric and creates a defined horizontal line. To single crochet in the back loop, insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch and create a single crochet by yarning over and pulling up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops in your hook. Single crochet in the back loop only is written as SCBLO or SCBL in crochet patterns. Repeat until the end of the row. This technique is applicable for any crochet stitches. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share this video, or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.